What should I use for gaming? I can't decide.
What are you thinking, son?
Hey Uncle Game, I want to decide which is good for gaming.
First off, performance. PCs can run games at higher resolutions, better frame rates and with better graphics settings. You can upgrade parts like your GPU or RAM over time instead of buying a whole new system.
Okay, but isn't that expensive?
It can be upfront, but it's an investment. Plus, in the long run, you save money. Steam sales, free games on Epic, and access to mods let you stretch your budget further than console games, which are often locked at full price.
What about multiplayer?
Oh, PC dominates there too. Servers are often more robust, matchmaking is faster, and you can use any input you want, keyboard and mouse or any controller. Plus, voice chat and community tools like Discord are much better than most console setups.
What about PS5 gaming consoles?
Oh, where do I start? The PS5 is a beast. First off, the hardware is top-notch. It's got a custom SSD that practically eliminates load times. You can jump into a game almost instantly, and the graphics? Unreal. The PS5 supports 4K resolution, ray tracing, and even 120 FPS for some games. It's like playing inside a movie.
That sounds immersive. But isn't it expensive? Just for gaming.
It's an investment for sure, but considering the power and features, it's worth every penny. Plus, it's future-proofed for years of gaming.
It's very hard to choose one so far. What are you using for gaming? Comment below. Let's see which is best for gaming.